Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about shock absorbers for your microphones. Now there are all kinds of ones that are out there. Now for years I've been using my Blue Yeti and I've had my shock absorber and it attached here, if you can see it. Recently all of a sudden I moved it to the side to get it to move to my next thing, and it just snapped right off and my Blue Yeti microphone went flying. Well, today we're going to have to replace that. So I got one from eTour, and complete kit, and it mounts a little bit differently than the one before. I'm going to take it out of the box. Kit, and it mounts a little bit differently than the one before. I'm going to take it out of the box. It's going to be a short video, but what I like about this one particularly, it comes with everything you supposedly need. So it has a pop filter, and it has the actual mount, and it comes with an adapter if you need it. So the way this works is you supposedly slide, there we go. It looks like I'm going to have to remove the old piece here that broke off. And that was quite disturbing because, you know, it looks like this material is made well, but you know, whatever caused it to just snap off like that. I guess fatigue. What do you guys think of what caused it to just break off like that? You know, just hanging out there. I'll get that off in a second. Whatever's causing that. So it comes complete. You can see it. It's got a nice shock absorber here. Microphone sitting in actually in a holder. So what shall we put? Yeah, it's cut out for the larger unit. You can see it here on one side. On the back, it's meant where the unit is higher. So we put it here, and it actually does come with the 2 screws if you happen to have misplaced yours from that point in time. Let me get them out of the box. Now the space in here is a little bit tight, so I ended up using needle noses to be able to tighten this, put this in place. And that's okay. So I put in the 2 screws you can see on both sides, and it really is really nice. You can see it's going to hold the microphone to the microphone arm. And it has a beautiful shock absorber, you can see it, and I have easy access to my controls on my Yeti. And like I said, it did come with a pop filter, which is going to be great, all included. I'll leave you the link in the description. Hey, thanks for watching. As you can see, this one I got is much better than the one I had, and it fits many microphones. I'll leave you the link in Amazon description. Please use the link. Don't forget to become a channel member, hit the thank you button, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, Grandpa loves you. We'll be looking at check out my other videos. God bless you. Have a great day.